Recording is on.
I heard that.
Okay, I did too. All right, so it's Sunday, April the 9th. Uh, WIKISPEED stand up, and over to you.
It's Michael Lulch, Saskatoon, Canada. This past week, I went to the Makerspace for a Thursday meeting, or what I thought was a Thursday meeting. Apparently, it's not a Thursday meeting unless you're part of the executive. So the only regularly scheduled meeting is the second Tuesday of each month. So I guess now I know. Um, I was planning to work on the knitting machine. It didn't actually or it didn't happen as much as I wanted to. I got a photodiode, um, which is just it's a diode inside a plastic container, and it kind of points so that it reflects. Um, and I was playing around with it, adjusting to figure out if I could detect the revolution counter on the knitting machine. So I played around with that for a little while. And the component values that I calculated are like out by a factor of 20 or so. So I don't know if I have parts that'll work, but we'll see. And I didn't get the Trello to do the updates. So for next week, I am still wanting to get Trello updated. Maybe I can do that tonight. Um, I would like to get the tank level up and working again with the TF Luna. Uh, I'm still having communication issues. I need to print out another version of my gear and the wobble driver and send it to my niece, our great niece. And just continuing on the knitting machine, trying to get the switches mounted and make them reliable. Make it so that I can detect the revolution counter. And of course Trello. So then I have blocks. Blocks. Well, it was Easter, but besides that, I actually had a fair amount of time to work on it, and I did other stuff. Mostly getting all the snow off my driveway so it doesn't become soup when it's supposed to go to plus 15 tomorrow.
Oh,
So we've got 2 feet of snow, and it's going to be messy. And back to you.
okay. Yeah, it's Lauren Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia, Canada. And the past week I didn't do. I can't think of anything I did. Um, in spite of intentions. Coming week then, so it's the same as before. Assemble, finish sliding the those nice connectors from the TF Luna on and testing, and setting up. Probably I want. I'm going to create at least two and put them in using long uh, the long USB power supplies that I bought. And I was just looking in the. So I have the laundry room is closer. I had put my purple air in the other bathroom, but and my outdoor plug doesn't work, and hasn't been worth fixing it. So I'm running it through the bathroom windows. But I got another bathroom that's closer to the cistern that I know the USB supply will work on. So uh, that's my plan. And the neighbor across the road, uh, see if they'll let me put it in their cistern. Uh,
Oh, you want to install two?
yeah, get some idea of what blocks and problems will happen in doing two.
Yep.
And Trello also. And the blocks have been. I was just at my second Passover Zoom Passover dinner today, and uh, yeah, I've had some time, but I was just getting dealing. Oh yeah, so, I'm still dealing with an injury I got when I tried to run a marathon. So I went to the physiotherapist a couple of times and got some alternate ways to exercise. Uh, so uh, that's that, uh, and I think that's it for the stand-up part.
Okay. I was just trying to figure out how many points I got last week. Um, not nearly as many as I was looking for. I think it was somewhere on the order of 4. But I might have missed one. So I was looking for 9. I got 4, so that's just under 5 out of 10. We'll make it 5 out of 10 since I made it to stand up. And for the team, I think I'll go with 7. Neither one of us is really burning up, and we seem to be slipping on Trello again, so not the greatest. Um, anyway, process improvement. I still think we should be working on Trello. So that's it for me.
Okay, yeah. So for me, I was gonna go. I'm gonna go with the 3, uh, and I agree with the 7 for the team. Want to step it up some, and I agree Trello process improvement, and I probably have a little bit of crosstalk that could be on. Actually, I'm gonna stop the recording, just so
Okay.
I make sure I do it.
Yes, losing the recording is a pain.